Hello guys! Today we will cook empanada Ilocos. Okay guys, ipapakita ko yung mga ingredients. Mag-start tayo dito sa pampalaman or either gigisa muna ako ng karne. Instead na langgunisa ang gagamitin ko, magigisa ako ng karne para isahog natin. Okay? Ito ang ground pork. I'm gonna use onion and garlic. Together with that, I will use also soy sauce. Okay? And I'm gonna use also oyster sauce for this to cook the meat. Okay? And vinegar. Okay? So, these all my ingredients for the meat. Okay, let's go for the next ingredients. Kailangan natin ng papaya. We'll use papaya. And also rice flour. Okay? Dalawang balot ang gagamitin ko. I'm gonna use 2 bags of rice flour. And I need to use also annatto powder. This one. I use 2 bags of annatto to make the color. Okay? And we will have also munggo. Kailangan natin ng munggo. Pakuluan natin to. Okay? And I will need garlic salt also and salt. Okay. So now I will start boiling the munggo. So, eto na ngayon. We're boiling the munggo. Okay? We will cook until it's done. Okay, let's have fun. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Okay. Then this one we will isusok lang natin sa boiling water. Yung kumukulong tubig, lang natin ng saglit. Okay? See? It's done! Okay guys. Tapos na yung ating munggo. Naluto na. So, we need to drain. Just need to drain, okay? Okay, now i-blablanch na natin yung ating papaya sa kumukulong tubig. Saglit lang po. I just need to do it quick. Okay? Okay, patay na natin yung stove. Turn it on. This is enough. Okay. Let's drain it. Now, next one we will cook the meat now. Okay? Okay guys. Iluluto na natin yung ground pork. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the garlic. We will cook until it turn brown. But now we can put the onion. Now it turns brown, we can put the meat. Put salt. Yes, we will put the soy sauce also. Okay, let's put the garlic salt. Diba ang langgonisa, ano ng garlic, maraming garlic yun. Pero, just a little bit. Mga around 1 teaspoon. Okay? Of garlic. Para masarap. Kasi ang Ilocanong langgonisa is maraming bawang. So, maraming garlic. So, I need to put lots of garlic too. Para masarap. Then, we can add soy sauce. Okay? Magic sarap soy sauce is masarap. Okay, lalagyan ko na ng oyster sauce. Kung wala ito, okay lang. Yung iba, kasi ito na yung pampalasa ko kasi. Kaya, damihan nyo na lang ng soy sauce. Yung iba, nilalagyan nila ng baking. Pero, hindi ako gumagamit ng baking. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko, mas masarap. Lagyan din natin ng ground pepper. Yung just a little bit. Okay, that's it. I need to put a little 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Okay? Yeah. Para hindi madaling masira. Okay guys. It's already done. So we will go to the next step. Okay? Let's make our dough. Let's put oil around 2 tablespoons. We will put the powder or achote in Tagalog. Then let's put water. Papakuluan natin. Okay, now, kumukulo na. Hinaan na natin yung apoy Okay, let's put the flour. Daghan ko lang ng konting tubig. Kasi marami naman akong ano. Pwede na natin ilagay, lipat. Okay? Kasi mainit. So, hindi ko pagalwaloyin. Okay, let's go to the next process. The next step natin, okay? Okay guys, pagaluin na natin yung papaya. Here the papaya. Haluin natin with the mango. And then, let's get started. This is our, okay, this is the meat. Okay, we will start making our empanada. Lagyan ko lang ng oil konti para. So now we will start making. This is, see, I cut. And we also need egg. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Okay. Let's make the dough. One. Then let's put the meat. Let's put the egg. Let's cut the eggs. Make sure you press so that it will not come out, okay? See? Right? Okay guys, Ito na yung ating empanadang Ilocos. See? Ooh. That's my empanada Ilocos. Okay guys, let's try my empanada. Okay, I hope you like my video. So see you next time. Bye for now.